Hello everyone, welcome to part 46 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product attributes, and in this part we are going to integrate the multiple add remove fields for the attributes. Okay, so in the last part we have seen that we able to insert that product attributes collection and also able to insert some of the dummy product attributes, okay, with Cedar. So now we are going to actually add these product attributes from the admin panel itself, from product section. From here, from this add edit product form, we are going to add here the product attributes. Okay, so for that we require one script, one jQuery script, like add remove kind of script. Okay, so for that we are going to follow the instructions. Okay, so you can find this instruction under video description as well. So these are the attributes that we're going to add, like I have explained in the last part as well. So for this we are required to add the add remove script. Okay, so this particular link uh, will have the good add remove script that we can able to integrate. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so so they provide the script that I'm going to add, okay, for our website. Here is the script and you can check its demo as well. I'm going to check its demo as well. Click on view demo and then you can see that how, see here. Okay, here we can able to add as well as able to reduce. Okay, if you want to add the multiple attributes, then this script we want to add there. Okay, so by following this script, see, this is the script that we copy and paste there, and after that we made some changes. So after making those changes, we able to define these scripts. Okay, so first I'm going to copy this one and will add the fields, product attributes field. I'm going to close the earlier file first of all. Okay, so I'm going to open here the add edit product blade file, and here I am going to add here before product video, I'm going to add this one. Okay, so here I'm going to add, and here I'm going to add these attributes. I will make some correction as well. Will define it. Okay, so see, I'm going to see that how it looks. Okay, so here it looks like this: product attributes, SKU, size, price and stock. Okay, and here you can see the add remove script. Okay, will come up here. Okay, so we are going to use that script to add and remove, so that we can able to show the multiple SKU, multiple fields for the SKU, size, price and stock. Right now we are not adding the status. Okay, but in future we can also add the status. Okay, so status is, we are going to assume the status is active for all, and that status we are going to add for the update as well. Okay, so see, I'm going to add now the script. Okay, so this script we have modified, and you are required to add in custom.js. So I'm going to open the custom.js here, that we have earlier built and added all the JS, all the admin JS here. So I'm going to add this script that I have modified as per the requirement for all the fields. That script is given for just one field, but I have added four fields, okay, as per our requirement. And I'm going to make it like view word wrap. Okay, here you can see I have added for the size, and it's the price as well, and it's the stock as well. And okay, so all the required fields I have added here. So once again I will go back and will check. Now I will refresh this one and will check the script is working or not. Yes, this script is now working, you can see, and you can able to remove it as well. Okay, so like this you can able to add as well, you can able to remove it as well. Okay, you can add the multiple attributes. So let's move further, and now we are going to update the add edit product function. Okay, and we are going to add few checks, like while adding, like if we are adding, then we must make sure that the SKU is unique. Okay, because we must not add the repeated sizes, like size small we have already added, then again we must not add that particular size again. Okay, so SKU check as well as the size check. We are going to add these two check. After that, if there is no issue, then we are going to add that product attribute. Okay, so we are going to modify the add edit product function in product controller. Here is the add edit product function. Okay, so after images, after this we can start working on these attributes, and here we are going to add this complete script. Here we can also mention add text attributes. Okay, then we can able to add this one here. Okay, so now you can see SKU already exists and everything seems to be fine here. Okay, so here see these are the two check: SKU already exists check and size already exists check. If in case we are adding the multiple SKU, okay, then it see with same name, okay, SKU must be unique. Okay, like I have shown you earlier in last part that SKU must be BT01S. It must be unique, like it must not be like this one, because it will uniquely identify every size, so it must be unique like this. And also this size must not repeat, like it must not happen like this. Okay, so the size will also be unique. So these two checks we have added. After that, if it's fine, then we are going to add that attribute. Okay, so we can check this one. Okay, we can check the attribute will get added or not. Let's try to add a few of the attributes for this product. So I'm going to add here few attributes now. Okay, so I'm going to add here like price. I'm going to give 1500 price and 10 stock. After that, I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add now the medium size attribute. Medium 1620, and now I'm going to add these two attributes. Let's click on submit, and okay, we are required to add that model. We have not added so far, so we are required to add the product attribute model required at the top. We are required to add that. After that, we will try once again and we'll see. Yes, SKU already exists. Okay, so it added the SKUs. Okay, so we are going to check it once that it added. Yes, it we have added from Cedar, so that's why. Okay, yes, we have already added, so that's why it's happening like this. So I'm going to remove, or what I can do, I can add for some other product. Okay, I can add for this product. There are two products I'm going to add for this one, for a red t-shirt. Okay, I'm going to add the attribute for this one. So I'm going to add the here SKU. Okay, SKU I'm going to add like something like S small, and price I'm going to add like 1500, and then stock 10. Then going to add the medium size. Then here the medium will come. Price will be 1600. 20 stock. Now I'm going to add this. Let's see. Yes, it has been added for this one. Okay, so I'm going to check here. Now there must be more attributes, total of 5. 3 belongs to that first product from Cedar, and after that we have added 2 more for this RCTS and RCTM for the red casual t-shirt. Okay, so now we are going to show these attributes. Here you can see the product ID is also mentioned here, that this attribute belongs to which product. So after that, we are going to show these attributes, but first of all we are going to define the relation between the product and the attributes, like we have defined the relation between the product and the images earlier on. And now we are going to define the relation between the products as well as the attribute. Okay, so here we have defined the relation, and after defining the relation, finally we are going to update the add edit product function, in which we are going to have this attribute with the product. Okay, so here I'm going to add that function, and here I'm going to add that. Okay, so see where it is. Here it is. Okay, images as well as the attributes will now also come, because we also want to get the attributes of that product. So that's why we will add the relation with this. Okay, so after this, now finally we are going to show those attributes after add edit product. After this we are going to add the another div to show the attributes as well. Okay, so this one we are going to add this here, and we are going to align it, and now we are going to check it. Okay, so let's see the added attribute will be shown correctly or not. Like we have added the two attributes for this. I'm going to check whether the attributes, yes, attributes are shown correctly here. Okay, here you can see that we able to show, we able to see these attributes, but its coloring is required some update. Okay, so I'm going to add here some light color. So yeah, now it seems to be a bit better. Okay, so here you can see the, we can able to see the both the attributes, both the sizes, small, medium we have added earlier, and its SKU is this one. See, price, we have taken the field for the price as well as the stock, so that we can able to update it as well. And also the status is active for both. We can make them inactive as well. We can able to delete as well. So we are going to work on these things later on, but we able to show these attributes in the admin panel after adding them. And three attributes that we have added earlier, for this one from seeder, I'm going to see whether we able to see those attributes, those three. Yes, we able to see those three attributes as well that we added from the seeder. So for we finally able to see the attributes, we finally able to add as well as see the attributes. Okay, so but in the next video we will work on update and delete as well. So finally we will able to finish the CRUD functionality, this CRUD create, read, update, delete for the product attributes as well. Okay, so in the next video we will continue with the product attributes, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.